Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Understanding Elementary Shapes. This is first question of its exercise 5.3. So the question says that match the following. Straight angle. So straight angle होता है हमारा 180 degree means half of a revolution. So first को हो जाएगा C. Second, right angle. So right angle होता है 90 degree. So हो जाएगा 1/4 of revolution. Option D. Acute angle less than 90. So हो जाएगा less than 1/4 of revolution. So हो जाएगा thirdly part option A. And fourth, obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is greater than 90 but less than 180. So जाएगा between 1/4 and half of revolution. So fourth का जाएगा E. And fifth, reflex angle is greater than 180. जाएगा more than half of revolution. So जाएगा option B. That's our final answer. Thank you.